What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the engine air filter in a 2025 Nissan Versa. And this Versa has the 1.6 liter 4-cylinder motor. So taking a look at our engine compartment, if we look off to the driver's side, we see this item right here. This is going to be the air box. This is what houses the engine air filter. There's two clips that we need to undo. One right here, another one right here. And as you see, those clips just kind of flip off of there. Once those two clips are undone, I'm going to grab the top of the air box and just kind of wiggle it and slide it slightly this way. And then we'll be able to lift it up. Comes up about that far. Then we can reach in here and grab our air filter. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement engine air filters if you're in need. And once we get our old filter out, it's a good idea to open the air box up, and you can grab a rag or even like a shop vac and just clean that out as good as you can. Once we have our air box cleaned out, we'll then install our new engine air filter, and you want this rubber gasket piece on the top like that. So we'll put that in there, and then on this side of the air box, you can see there's these two tabs that we need to line up, one here and one back there. Those tabs will just line up into these slots. And then the last thing we'll have to do is put these clips back on. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.